Remember we talked about putting down insulation, polymat, or fleece back? We decided to put polymat down. And you'll notice down through here, all the cuts we've had to make around the units. Now over here, we're actually putting it under these gas lines. Had we went with straight fleece, we would only have one roll to roll out and one cut to make. Now we're putting smooth on this mechanically attached. Now we have to make all the same cuts and slides again. If you want, come over here. What we're doing is we're sliding this underneath the gas line. We have to have the polymat underneath the TPO, the smooth TPO.
I have a question though. How come me and Chino are doing this? You're standing there talking with Mitos.
Somebody had to do it.
Okay.
Okay. And all they're going to do now is just work their way down.